How to enter referral codes on Temu app. Grab your phone and find the Temu app. Tap on it to open it up. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom of the screen. You'll see some icons. Tap on the U icon. After tapping you, it'll take you to a new screen. Look for something that says coupons and offers and tap on that. In the coupons and offers section, there's a space where you can type stuff. That's where you need to put your referral code. If you haven't already, copy the referral code you got from your friend or wherever. Go back to the Temu app and tap in that space where it says enter coupon code. Then, paste the referral code you copied. Make sure the code is right and there are no mistakes. Double check it if you need to. Once you're sure the code is right, look for a button or something to confirm it. Tap on that. After confirming, check to see if the app accepted your code. There might be a message or something saying it was successful. Just to be sure, go to the used section in the app. Your referral code should be there if it worked. Also, keep an eye on the expired section. If your code has an expiry date, it'll show up there when it's no longer valid. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily add referral codes on your Temu app account. Don't forget to take advantage of these codes to unlock fantastic discounts and promotional offers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks.